So we're going to go through each of these pages to learn about the life cycle of a frog. So how a frog comes to be. So first we know it starts as which one of these things? Does it start as a frog? Does it start as a tadpole? Does it start as an egg? How does a frog start? If you said it starts as an egg, you would be right. So we're going to move the word egg up here. An egg starts with the letter E. Eggs. All right, and then he turns into a what? After it comes out of the jelly, it's a what? If you said this is a tadpole, you would be right. And what does tadpole start with? If you said T, you would be right. So if we can find the word that starts with a T, does this word start with T? No. Does this word start with T? No. Does this word start with T? Yes. So this must be tadpole. We can sound out t-ad-pole. And the E does not make a sound in this word. So that is a tadpole. So then it turns into a little bit more like a frog, but it still has a little tail. So we either have a frog or a froglet. So is it a frog here or is it a froglet? It's actually a froglet, and that means that it still has a little bit of a tail, but it is turning into a frog. And then finally, when it's all grown up, it is a frog. And we can see that frog starts with letter F. So we're going to put frog up here. So it's an egg, and then it's a tadpole, and then it's a froglet, and then it's a frog. All right, so our next page says, I see blank. So what do we see here? What are these? Remember, they are eggs. So I see eggs. We have to fill it in with the word eggs. So we need to find the one that starts with the sound eh. And what letter says eh? If you said E, you would be right. So does this one start with an E? No. How about this one? No. How about this word? Does it start with an E? Yes. So this is eggs. Because this one over here also starts with an F. So now it says, say it with me, I see eggs. Awesome. Let's go to the next one. What do we have here? This is if you said tadpole, you would be right. So it says, I see a blank. Where's the word tadpole? Which one has the T? If you said this one, you would be right. Hold on, let me get it there. All right, say it with me. I see a tadpole. Awesome. All right, we have 2 more to do. Remember, this is the frog with the little tail. So he's not quite a frog yet, but he's called a froglet. So we can find the word froglet. It looks like this word frog, but it has another piece on it. So here it is right here, froglet. We're going to put it in the spot. And then we're going to read it together. Ready? I see a froglet. Awesome. All right, this is our last one. When he's all grown up, he is called a frog. And that is this word right here, frog. Frog. So we have to put that in our sentence. And our whole sentence says, I see a frog. All right, can we say it together just one more time? I see a frog. Awesome. Thank you guys for learning about frogs with me today. And I will see you tomorrow for our next pond visit. Bye, friends.